Want to create AI-generated cat videos that blow up on YouTube? We're breaking down the exact prompting formula that gets millions of views and how to monetize it. Cat videos are YouTube gold. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E let you generate unlimited variations in seconds. The secret? Specific prompts create consistent, shareable aesthetics. Trending styles include hyper-realistic cats, surreal dreamscapes, and anime interpretations. These resonate with millions because they're novel, adorable, and endlessly customizable. Master this formula: subject plus, art style plus, mood plus quality modifier. Example: Persian cat in cyberpunk neon rain. Moody, 8K cinematic. Layer in trending aesthetics: vaporwave, Studio Ghibli, oil painting. Test variations rapidly. Track what thumbnails perform. Your AI art becomes recognizable, building audience loyalty and algorithmic favor. YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Achievable fast with viral content. Stack revenue, AdSense earnings, selling AI art as prints and NFTs, Patreon for exclusive prompts, sponsored collaborations with AI tools. Faceless videos cut production costs to nearly zero, maximizing profit margins. Start today, choose one AI tool, create 5 cat variations using our formula, upload weekly shorts for rapid growth. Study comment sections. Audience tells you what they want. Repurpose one video into 10 clips. Watch time explodes. Monetize immediately. Consistency beats perfection. Your first viral hit is closer than you think. Like this video and comment your favorite cat prompt. Let's build this together.